Hello everyone, this is ABD from Shark Tweaks back with another video. As many of you guys have faced the problem on your iPhone that shows that this accessory may not be supported. Usually the alert pop-ups after you plug your iPhone into charge, but it could also appear when you are trying to use headphones or other accessories. So in this video, I will show you what you can do to fix this problem permanently. The reason you are getting accessory is not supported by your iPhone is because your accessory might be faulty, damaged or not MFi certified. Your device operating system has not been updated or your iOS device has a dirty or damaged lightning port. So here are some ways to fix the accessory may not supported error pop-up. First, clean your iPhone charging port. Use a paper clip or toothpick or toothbrush, whatever you can get to clean inside the iPhone USB port. Then stick it in carefully, start to stir, try to reach into every corner you can. Then plug your USB in cable, see if the problem is solved. Second, restarting your iPhone could fix these software issues. So restart your iPhone, press and hold on volume button and slide button until the power of slider appears. Drag the slider, then wait 30 seconds for your iPhone device to turn off. Then turn on your iPhone back on and try connecting your accessory again. Some accessories require the latest version of iOS to work. Make sure that you have updated to the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update to check if a software update is available. If it is, you can begin to update process by tapping download and install. Another method is to check your USB cable. If you plug into your socket and constantly using it for charging, it will get overheat. And if it get overheat, your iPhone will show the not supported window or can't charge. So unplug it and leave it to cool down for a while. Last method is to get MFi certified accessories. MFi basically means made for iPhone, iPad or iPod. You may get an accessory not supported alert if you are using counterfeit accessories. To prevent this, make sure you use the charging cable and accessories on your iPhone which are MFi certified, meaning they were made according to Apple's design standards. Also, if the accessories are suspiciously cheap, they are probably fake. As much as possible, stick to charging your iPhone with the cable that it came with. Also, I will mention some links below of MFi certified accessories for your iPhone. You can check them also. So, these are some ways to fix your accessory not supported issue on your iPhone. So, let me know in the comments which method has been worked for you, and also don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Now, I will see you on the next one. Peace.